mount onto drywall without any metal stacks. Is that even possible? Yes, it is with the elephant anchors. But how did I do this? Alright, I'm going to show you the whole process right now.
So here you could see the elephant anchor, which is also from Condomounts. Alright, these are called elephant anchors, and this is what I'm going to use to mount a TV on drywall without any metal stacks. Right, so let's start drilling right now. Firstly, these are the elephant anchors by Condomounts also. Okay, it's under a different brand called elephant anchors. So what you gotta do first is you just gotta you see this metal plate right here. You just make it horizontal like this, and you insert it through the hole that you have just made. So as you can see, I'm done with the elephant anchors. I'm gonna next place this TV mount onto the drywall, and these are all screws included in the mounting kit by Condomounts and elephant anchors. So let me just do this. All right. We have successfully placed this TV mount onto a drywall without any metal stack behind. See, I told you we could do this, alright?